Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall 3Commas app on iPhone. If you no longer need the 3Commas app or want to fix the issues by reinstalling, uninstalling it from your phone is quick and easy. Removing the app will delete it from your device, but your account and data will remain safe. On their servers, you can log back in anytime. So first you need to find the 3Commas app on your home screen and simply press and hold the app icon until this pop-up comes out. What you can do is you need to select this red icon, remove app there in the top, and it will again ask you for the confirmation to delete it. Simply confirm by tapping the delete there, and that is it. And the important notes will be deleting app does not delete your account. Your trading bots and data stays safe online, and always log out before uninstalling for the extra security. And that is it. This is how you can uninstall 3Commas app on iPhone successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.